Oh, yeah, I haven't met Simon yet. I think he's here somewhere. I just met the Maryland guy. He's the one with the Cybertruck with the flags coming out of it.
Simon Pollack leads
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I can't believe how many people are here right now.
Tesla rolls in neon lanes, DMV gets through the flames. Electric pulses in the air, tip-top beat we all share. Neon dreams come alive, electric symphony we thrive. Tesla show lights up the sky, Frederick's dance we can't deny. Simon's voice in perfect sync, circuits buzz with feel the link. Maryland's finest on the floor, Tesla's roll we crave for more. Voltage high, spirit soar, beats and lights at every door. From the dawn till twilight's end, electric rhythms never bend. Neon dreams come alive, electric symphony we thrive. Tesla show lights up the sky, Frederick's dance we can't deny. Simon's voice in perfect sync, circuits buzz we feel the link. Maryland's finest on the floor, Tesla's roll we crave for more. Voltage high, spirits soar, beats and lights at every door. From the dawn till twilight's end, electric rhythms never bend. Neon dreams come alive, electric symphony we thrive. Tesla show lights up the sky, Frederick's dance we can't deny.
I'll give you 1 second. All right, let's go.
Okay, you good?
Huh?
This should be good. Hold on.
Are we there yet, Dad?
There we go. Oh.
Jesus.
Why are we standing again?
Okay, don't go under. Don't go under.
Don't go under.
All right, you're clear.
Don't walk towards the light. That thing is absolutely mandatory.
Can we do it again with the kid dancing in front?
Nice job.
That's Ty. He's our planner today.
Yeah, let's do it again. One more time.
That's the medium guy. That's Ty.
You asked him.
Wow, what was that
Well, I'm
like?
not. Woo! What do you think? You got it?
You okay? We need that.
I got the perfect footage.
We need that footage. He needs that.
They want to do another
Yeah.
Do one more time with the kid dancing in front.
Oh, I'm not sure. They're the organizer.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta talk to them.
But yeah, I mean, they want the video, so yeah, you read.